If you've ever been in bed late at night and got a spark of motivation come out of literally nowhere, you know exactly what I mean. When this happens, we want to be as productive as we possibly can, but why does it happen so late at night? Particularly around like 3 a.m. Late at night you can't really do much, so you start planning on things you can do the next day. However, once you wake up, you're faced with a decision. Do I wake up and clean my room, or do I just scroll through TikTok? That small decision sets the tone for the rest of your day. Let's say you wake up and you start scrolling through your phone. It could be 1 o'clock by the time you end up cleaning your room or doing anything, and your room could still be a mess. Now let's say you set a reminder for the morning. The first thing you're gonna do when you wake up and see that, you're gonna clean your room. No questions asked. Because last night when you wrote that reminder down for yourself, you've already made the decision for the day. You just gotta keep that train rolling. So you start by cleaning your room. And as you're cleaning your room, you get dopamine released in your brain, so you're just gonna keep on chasing that until you've had enough. And by doing this, you're starting to create good habits that'll lead you up to accomplish your goals. Now don't get me wrong, living in today's day and age can be very hard to focus when you're surrounded by so many distractions. You're going to have to fight this with everything you got. Your body's gonna naturally tell you to choose the easier option. But if you want something, it's not always as easy as it sounds. You may start doing something and be faced with an obstacle you weren't even ready for. But over time, with constant exposure to these obstacles, you learn how to jump over these and go around them in every way possible. Because that roadblock is not moving out of the way, that's for sure. Anyways, I hope that answered your question, and if there's anything that you would want me to cover in a video, just leave that below in the comments. Just leave a like, subscribe, that pretty much does it for me. I'll see you guys next week.